Imprisonment, let's go. These aren't really doing much. Yeah, maybe we want a pillow. No discard targets either. That should have been this. Yeah, it does. Are you still running Totem House in this? Because we swapped to Flurry. I couldn't remember the list exactly. Yeah, okay. Well, there was nothing really... Yeah. There was no big pirates that were missing. Like, Quinn went back to Toby, and then... all it would really be doing is maybe upgrading some lower end. Yeah, the proactivity is really nice. Being able to play that and then put the defender down and then put the crack down is nice. We are, but like defender and crack onto an empty board just feels... I mean, defender doesn't feel that bad because if they have an answer, they have an answer. If you find a way you want to rejig the list, let me know. It does feel bad into Junod, and this feels really nice against Flurry in general. And Max of Rivia, thank you so much for the follow. Glad to have you here. Hope you're doing well. Thank you. Finally, a freaking discard. Hey, Flaky or Flaky. Oh. Am I wasting a leader on that? I don't really want to. Yeah. Double crack, double mork. Double Turkey, double defender. There are a lot of good targets. Don't steal my stuff. They still haven't totally committed to this yet. We could play the Holger. And then if they want to play into that, we play the crack. I guess defender and then crack. Defender's a pirate as well, so it works with this. Well, that just gets locked. Hopefully defender's enough to stay ahead here though. We can just play leader as well. Double leader's not bad. It does mean defender's probably not enough to stay ahead. Okay, they're going for it. Nothing is really row locked. Purified is Arnulf, then Fugitive. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. For sure. Okay. Don't think we want to commit leader yet. I think we like this sort of... like them trying to bleed us feels pretty good. With cards like Mork and Togepi. Yeah, we can kill this now. But we don't want to play it. Maybe Mork was just better there. If you play Ryogan, you want to play a bunch more Rain though, right? Just for that? Oh, you mean instead of Totem? Does this get us ahead here, by the way? We have, this goes down to 8, so it's 13. Plus 3. 16. 16 double leader gets us ahead. And that kind of feels fine now. Oh wait, it hits that. Okay, yeah. Still feels worth it. It's not going to do anything for us, is it? We have no rain. Or it does its own rain. Is that the only rain it does? It's just its own rain? Yeah, so it does a 12, so it's 17. We're not exactly short on future targets though. It can be awkward, yeah. This is nice if that gets us ahead. And we get to save a leader. What? I mean, having a card in this... I'm already playing Terra. Jeez, this isn't... Oh, okay. Sure. That's nice. What am I missing that you're playing then? I think it's just like more 5s maybe. Yeah, I'll have a look. Hammond and Terror. Oh, you're playing the Hideaways. So when I went back to this list, I took out the Hideaways just because it wasn't so pirate heavy, but if they still feel pretty good, especially with like Hammond and Terror now, or Hammond. It feels good for Defender. Oh, it doesn't feel good for Defender. It just means that their Flurry, like their Junod, the leader charge doesn't sink totally into this. Like maybe they miss it, maybe. Okay, what are we looking at here? That's pretty nice, Jesus. Who needs burner? Heatwave's pretty low. Heatwave's kind of important here. Hammond's high, this is high. Heatwave is really important. I think we have to shuffle. I think I'm gonna put this last Scout on the bottom here. It can draw us a card though, like maybe it finds us something good. But it's kind of just a 4. Like we've got all of our discard targets and enough discards. Playing 11 pirates. Okay. If that had said that we prioritize having in butt, it would have been a good butt spot, yes. You're thinking it's worth playing... Jesus. Worth playing 2 of boats? Because at the moment we only have 1. Oh, Hideaways feel pretty good. Yeah, okay. No, that is a fair point. Nice. This is bonkers. Yeah, well, we just put the Gigascope in. Does not Kelly? Can we pass against this then? Maybe. I think we'd like one of these in... Like we have no pirate in the graveyard for this. Maybe we just drop this now and then pass. Although this leader is a bit scary. Yeah, well that's how I've split the 10 provisions here. Look at this Giga. There's your answer house. Yeah. It's a lot easier to be sold on Giga than being like, Hideaway would be better. Because you see Giga kill something and Hideaway is just like, points. The whole point of this was to put a pirate into our graveyard and we haven't done it. Yeah, we also don't have that. Oh wait. No, it does. It does feel really bad. It's a mulligan target in round 1, for sure. But it's also only 4p. Okay, we managed to set it up and take the round. Harpoon is a ship, right? I mean, if we have Hammer, do we need Harpoon? This kind of sucks now. It's just finding us cards. Like, we may as well mulligan it. Do we want to push them here? What points do we have left? If we play the fuchsia here... Yeah, I don't hate it as well. It'd just be instead of this, and this feels fine. So it's just deciding what this last 4p is, really. There's a few good options. Even the long ship is good with the crack. And has a floor of 5. Don't love this. True, it is good. Do we want to lead or stop this? I don't think so. We can just terror the next one. Yeah, is it even worth hammering this for the extra damage? Probably. I think we'll lead a click. Yeah. They're going for like lesser witch spam. Didn't want to hit this. Okay, killing that feels good. Passing feels fine. We do have this on the board, like, do I click the coral? What if it's something good? The problem also is She Who Knows gets them out pretty solidly. Yeah, I would be down. I do want to mess around with that Sabbath deck as well. Okay, nice. I think I'm just gonna do this. And this, please click it, please do it. No, fuck. And of course. Oh. Works out. We're all good. We should have hit this. No real reason to save that leader. Yeah. Respect that deck. We don't really mind enslave. I don't think. Pull things out of our own graveyard or other people's graveyard. Owls. Necro. I'm not sure if there is many good ways to get them back. Maybe there are some. Thanks, Coral. Jeez, what's our next card here? Maybe it's Burner. We can res this. We don't hit anything. Okay, I think we kick these two then. Nope. Just miss it completely. Because then we still have this for one skirm for this. Oh yeah, we actually have perfect discards. That's another thing we could do to this deck is only one run one Scald. And put another one of those boats in, or the 4Ps that we're looking at. Obviously right now is not a good argument for that. Yeah. Okay, that's not enough. Long round. That's nice, they didn't take the pirate. War Council's interesting. This is actually pretty good. Although we're missing some golds here. Yeah, it's not better than those. I mean, it's... yeah, no, it's not. Nice. Hopefully this maxi is enough. I don't really want to play another card. We could put the skirm on the bottom. Just try not to play these. Okay, nice. We find Heatwave and Mork, but we miss Defender. Let's roll this. Skirm on bottom was maybe a bad choice if we look at what our future targets are. We haven't played any of the good ones, so Coral's kind of the best. So, should have gone a bit slower though. Oh, especially because we don't really want to mulligan anything. I think we'd really like Defender though. Giga can kill Helga. What else can kill Helga? Heatwave can. Yeah, okay. Didn't work out. Alright, that's fine. Perfect. Oh, we have leader to kill Helga. So I think we let them kill something for our future. True. Is anything here row locked? No. They probably want to play more things front row though, just in case they steal this. Seems like it's the same guy as before. So what did he have? No big targets, really. Like nothing hugely important. Yo, and Mick Rook. Thank you so much for the follow. Glad to have you here. Hope you're doing well. Thank you. No Turg V, please. Oh, nice. Good choice. Yeah, how do people do that? This defender's a little annoying. Oh, they had, is this the guy that played the Assimilate guy? So let's kill this. His Bradens is pretty bad. I guess we do this. That was nice. Nah, no Damien. At least we didn't see a Damien last time. I will be sad though if that is the case. Probably that now. We don't want to play this next to crack. This is annoying. Oh wait, we can do this. Okay, so we ping this down and then we do it. Oh good, we get the armor value. Because I didn't want it to hit this. Like that would have been really bad if we hit this. Oh no, yeah, not really bad, but kind of bad. Yeah, I was more scared of like the arm as like a jewel, but it's not how it works. Our next turn's going to be a bit awkward. This could be Bradens to protect the defender, and then I guess we just have to heat wave it. Okay, it's that. That's annoying. They haven't played any of the copy guys. I could just play this, leave it. We could also just put it down like here. Because then it becomes worse for him to kill, but we still get the armor value. Like it's the same as clicking. Oh, fuck. That was so stupid. Alright. Rip 2 points, I guess. And we have to fusion next. Jeez, this is not a good terror. Why not just click and kill the armor as well? Ugh. Okay. So what are the last 3 cards? This defender's been so annoying. He's cooed this round. So it could be spying Artord Browdens, literally. I guess we leader and hope to kill this because it goes through the armor. And then I can play the Mork. He hasn't Yoa'd, but he's cooed. Like, I don't know if there is a Yoa. Kill this. No, don't hit this. Kill this. Fuck. Thank God. Alright. Yeah, Toby has the pirate tag. And hey, me machine. Oh, and this, of course. Yeah, we play one more pirate. Yeah, this is the same guy. I think we wait. It's probably more likely to be Brahmins, right? Playing in here doesn't really do anything. I guess it's better. Yeah, nice. Few mistakes there. Leader fixed it though. I think that was the same guy. Mondays are not a long stream day. Do have work today. I mean, Fuchsia would be, if a Fuchsia was 1 power, I'd still be playing it in this deck. Discard targets, hello? Okay. Guess we start with the maxi. Hey, discard targets are coming. Okay, this is fine. I mean, is it though? Not really. We need these. We probably find this, but we don't find this. Yeah. Okay. Well, we found that defender. Okay. This is a bit awkward. I really want to play burner, I think. Just hope we find one of these, at least. If we find like these two, worst case scenario, Gigascorp and maybe like Hammond have to go. Hey Misery, how's it going? I'm absolutely jamming burner here. It's jam burner, then get out. That'll do too. Okay. Oh, rewarded for the guts. Doing pretty well. Just jamming a lot of Gwent. Yeah, there are dead targets. I mean, we can Reds Burner. That's probably our best target now because it's pretty likely that we find 2 of these. We also have a Scald. So, do we long round against this? Last time it went pretty well with them bleeding us. And the problem is this is pretty good on the bleed too. Okay, guess we're long running. Burners, and we still get 2 turns of rain. So that's 19 points, maybe 18 points. Plus the 5 body, so 24 or 23. There we go. This might be the hand to hold. We're only missing this. And we need a dry pass. There's a decent chance that they like play another Blight Maker to thin, and then we need to play 2 cards anyway. Hopefully not though. Cool. If we find Turgvy, like, rezzing this might be good. Okay, I think we either... Yeah, if we mulligan for this. Jesus. Okay, it's literally a gold hand. But again, the ordering's a bit weird, like we have to drop Defender here. Probably gets Yanvod, Vincented. Yeah. Yeah, okay. 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus the rain. This is where Totem would feel nice too. But I think we put it on Turgvy because we don't want them copying Turgvy, like just with Coup. Defender just got Yanvod, which is probably going to be our heat wave now. Good thing is they haven't been able to DMT and they've only played 1 Blightmaker, so hopefully they've missed a little bit. Yeah, we're just going to have to Yanvod, I mean heat wave this. That's kind of expected. Yeah. So now the Reds isn't so good. We probably just res this. No, it's not. They could get the fuchsia. We don't really want to do that now. Yeah. We kind of... Okay, so against Nilfgaard, we kind of do want a good big target. Like, maybe we just play the burner later and hope we hit. Yeah. That's probably just Mork. Probably. There's not much else to do here. Yeah, we should have done that. You're right. You are right. Especially before we play the Hammond as well. That's gonna be a 5, right? We can still kill. Oh, it's at 6. Alright, same thing. We just kill it. It is a perfect Gigascorp, but Gigascorp kills a Brathens or an Artord is probably better. You like Giga here? I guess so, because then we can kill this with Leader and this. Hopefully this isn't another Assimilate Leader unit. Yeah, okay, that's kind of expected. Okay, what about rezzing this now? 4 turns of rain is 8 points. So it plays as 20, whereas Burner's gonna play for 5, 6, maybe 15, maybe 20, maybe 19. Also, just maybe 11. Maybe Burner's still safer. What the fuck? That was a shame. Shouldn't have played this here. Doesn't matter, there's only 3 turns left anyway. It was maybe worth, but he ended up playing the Brothers anyway. The problem is, this is still a good target for him, so I think we play this now. Do we take the Burner? I think we probably do. There's a good chance it hits one of these, and then it's instantly better than everything else. I think we're in trouble here though. Come on, Burner. Nice. Very questionable decision to put this on this row though. Very, very questionable. Two points gone, yeah. 2 points is pretty big. Potentially. He did have this. It's that and Artord left. At least it's only a 6, right? They can't get Bloodthirst 3. So what's our best? That one. Yeah, Twiggy was... No. Okay, so this is gonna play for 5. And this is gonna be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Yeah, okay, it's one. It would have been 1 more point better to do it the other way around, but then we lose the rain, which was 2 points. Well, 1 point because I fucked up, but it should have been 2 points. So if I didn't play this into the wrong row, it was actually better to do what we did. This is only a 6, right? Yeah. But it's enough, doesn't matter. So we lose either. Oh, this is going to be 4. I think we lose either way.